You will remember that there are three ingredients in every presentation. They are the content, the structure, and then the delivery. The more you work on clarifying your content, organizing your structure, then adding some initial scripting, the easier it will be for you to have professional sounding delivery. You wouldn't build a home without a blueprint. You would not drive to another city without a map or good instructions. This is the same with your speech structure. We call this course the skeleton under the flesh of your words because it's the clearest explanation I can think of. Once you've decided what content is going to be included into your presentation, you are ready to learn how to organize your content into a strong structure. By now, you have the basic content of your presentation listed. This includes the key ideas, stories, examples, statistics, and quotes from authorities. If you are presenting at somebody else's meeting, listen to the project champion or person in charge. Perhaps they would like you to reinforce meeting themes or contribute topics of specific interest to them.